Take a deep, slow breath and relax. Welcome to this guided meditation for managing chronic pain. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without being disturbed. Gently close your eyes and allow yourself to settle into the present moment, preparing to explore a path of relief and comfort. Begin by taking a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. And exhale slowly, releasing any immediate tension in your body. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming more relaxed, more at ease. Acknowledge the presence of pain in your body. It's an undeniable part of your experience, but for the next few minutes, let's explore ways to lessen its grip on you. Breathe in deeply, drawing in peace and calm. And as you exhale, imagine a slight easing of your discomfort. Now, focus on an area of your body that feels relatively comfortable, or at least less painful. It could be your hands, your feet, or even the tip of your nose. Concentrate on this area. And as you breathe in, imagine warmth and comfort expanding from this point. As you exhale, allow this sensation to spread, bringing relief to more painful areas. Visualize your breath as a healing light. With every inhale, this light becomes brighter, more potent, targeting areas of pain. As you exhale, imagine this light gently washing over these areas, soothing and calming them. Think of a place where you feel completely at peace. It might be a quiet beach, a serene forest, or a cozy room. Place yourself there and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this space. Let the peace of this place infuse your being, offering an additional layer of relief from your pain. As you continue to breathe and visualize, silently repeat to yourself, "I am not defined by my pain. I am stronger than my discomfort." With each breath, I invite more calm and less pain into my body. Allow yourself to drift deeper into relaxation, letting the guided imagery and affirmations soothe your physical and emotional discomfort. Remember, your breath is a powerful tool in managing pain. A gentle reminder that you have control over your comfort and well-being. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling a connection to the here and now, yet carrying with you the sense of relief and calm. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to your surroundings with a renewed sense of peace and a reduced perception of pain. Thank you for joining this meditation. Remember, this practice is here whenever you need a moment of relief or a peaceful escape from chronic pain. Carry forward the calm and strength you've nurtured today, knowing you have the power to manage your pain with grace and resilience.